Welcome to another new video, guys. Have your fun. Stay safe.
Fuck was that? Fucking knobhead.
You stupid idiot.
That doesn't mean to be.
I mean, he should have stopped. Instead of stopping, he's gone slowly.
He was looking that way from his motorbike. Big man thing. Big man thing. What the fuck? You put your hazard on! You put your hazard on, man!
C'est pas ici le spot, mais...
Your hazard is on! You didn't put your indicator! There's no indicator, it's the hazard on! Hazard! It's the hazard! Look what you're doing! Look what you're doing! Yeah, it's the hazard on! Your hazard is on! There's no indicator! Yes, I did! Your hazard is on! So you put no indicator, so I don't know if you're doing it left or right! So were you doing it right or left? Or you're doing it left and right at the same time? Thank you. Yeah, use your brain next time. Use your brain. Use your brain. Woman. Fucking hell. Fucking in... Oh my god. Stupid woman.
I wasn't doing 30, mate.
I heard your bike.
You didn't hear me bike doing more than 30. I just came round that corner. I come in peace. I'm asking if she's alright. Are you okay?
I'm sorry.
No, it's fine. Don't worry about it. I come in peace.
Sorry.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Okay?
Oh,
It's fine.
you were so, your reflexes were good. I'd looked and there was nobody
Yeah,
there.
absolutely. I come round the corner and I understand.
My husband's an ex-bike rider and I saw him knock off his bike in front of me.
No,
And you were so quick with your responses.
no, I just want to make sure you're alright.
No,
Okay.
as long as you're okay.
Well, I'm fine,
really
I'm fine.
Sorry. I looked and then I
Alright.
checked the other way and then I checked the dog.
Yeah. No,
And then
it's
I
the way it
pulled
goes,
over.
honestly. I'm not
really,
here to
really
argue.
sorry,
No,
dog.
came round the corner. It's fine. As long as you're alright, okay?
It's my fault.
No,
Totally.
okay, alright.
Oh, you've got your little camera.
I did get it on camera.
Well, I can't go saying it's not my
Well,
fault.
no.
I wouldn't do that
No,
anyway.
no would I? If I, you know.
You'll be on YouTube tonight.
Will I?
Don't worry. Just wanted to make sure you're alright, okay?
It was turning right.
You know when they say think bike, you
Yeah.
don't.
You know?
Bike was turning right.
Excuse me, what are you doing?
I'm taking pictures of your car because I see you've got a disabled parking thing displayed here, but I don't think you're actually disabled, and I really need to park there because I have a disabled badge, and that's really my parking space, and I don't think that's yours. I mean, this is not a car that a disabled person would drive.
Okay, what is that supposed to mean?
Well, I'm just saying, this isn't a car that disabled people drive, and I don't think you are disabled.
But you just seen my disabled parking space.
Yes, I know, but you can take that from your family or auntie or...
So you tell me that the disabled parking badge, which is in my name, is not mine?
I don't think it is, or you might have been very clever and done a fake one of them through the printing machine off the computer or something.
So you're saying I can't park here in disabled parking space because I don't look disabled?
I just...
I don't look disabled, or my car doesn't look disabled?
Both.
Okay, so
Both.
like
and you
what?
don't look disabled. I mean, you look quite all right to me.
Okay, well, like,
you're young
like one, not all disabilities are visible. 2, yeah. What do you want my car to have? Like 6 wheels or something?
Well, it just doesn't look like a disabled car to me. I'm sorry, and I really don't think you are disabled. But I'm just saying what I feel. You know, I'm one of these people who says it as it is.
Yeah, well, I'm saying how it is as well, yeah. That I can park here. You see my disabled parking badge. Like...
I know, but why are you sitting in the car when you're parked?
What do you mean, why am I sitting in the car?
Why don't you go out and do your business and then
because,
I can wait, you're only going to be
Because
5
I can sit in my
minutes.
car. I can sit in my car if I want to sit in my car.
Well, no, because it's a disabled space. You're here to
You
park.
parked over there, yeah? You parked over there, yeah?
I parked there because I wanted to park here in the disabled space.
Okay,
I
but
want
like...
to go off and get my shopping.
Okay, but like, you can still just park there, you know what I mean? As in, like, you've parked there. So, like, what is the issue?
What?
And, like, you see my disabled parking badge, so, like, I can park here.
I'm just trying to say I normally go in a disabled parking bay because I'm allowed to.
But you're parked. You're parked, right?
I am parked.
Thank you, you're
yes,
parked.
I normally park in this spot because I'm disabled. I've got arthritis
Yeah, but so am
in
I.
my
So,
knee.
okay, well, that's
Yeah,
great
but
for
I don't
you.
know. And what's wrong with you then?
Well, it doesn't matter. It's
It
only your
does
business.
matter.
It doesn't...
What disability have you got then to make you disabled?
It's only your business, one.
Well, I'm asking you.
Well,
then I don't
have to tell you. I don't have to tell you what my disability is. Do I?
Yes, you do have to tell me your disability if you've got one.
But why?
Because I don't think you are, and I just think you're taking the
What are
mickey.
you? The disability police?
No, I'm just a normal person who normally parks in a disabled spot. And now you're taking my disabled spot that I've parked in for years, may I add, and I'm sure you haven't because I haven't seen you here before. So I don't even know if you're from this area.
I'm from this area. I live over there.
Well, why are you parking here if you live over there?
No. I mean, I live inside here. The shop's over there, yeah. But no.
I think you're not quite right, actually.